Joe and my sister Ray. They usually go to this gym. I don't. I'm not like a member. I usually do workouts at home, if you guys have seen my videos. But today we're doing gym style, and you're gonna come along. You're gonna come along with us, and I'm gonna show you what our full body gym workout looks like. It's gonna be like low intensity because it's my first time at the gym since probably like a month or two. So yeah, let's go. More than 1 hour?
Yes.
Oh wow, we're so good. Yeah, so we are done with the workout. What is wrong with you guys? Me and my brother did the same workout and I can barely hold my phone up. Like, I feel... Stop laughing! Ray has a personal trainer, so we were out with her. She does her own thing, you know. But me and my brother, we did kind of the same thing, full body, as you saw. So today is
4th of January.
The 4th of January, but what day is it? Wednesday? Yeah, it's Wednesday. Yeah. And today what we have planned is I have like a meeting now, and he's coming with me because after the meeting we're going to check out a potential studio for my podcast, and I'm gonna take you guys along. Today is January 5th, and I'm just showing you guys what we're having for lunch. It's my favorite lunch, and I think all of us like it so much. So basically we're doing, I like to call it Bulgogi, but I'm not sure if it is exactly like the Bulgogi. I don't know where it's from, but I guess it's like an Asian kind of dish. So you can do it with chicken, with beef, with both, and I guess you can also do it with like shrimps. I don't know. Anyway, this is how we do it, so don't judge me if it doesn't look similar to the original Bulgogi. I cut up the chicken, and I'll show you in a bit. And now I was cutting the beef, as you saw, and I'm gonna show you what I put inside as like the sauce. Okay, so here's the beef. I cut them into like small, like bite sizes. Some salt, that's first of all. And I just eyeball everything. And then I do some soya sauce. I also, let's say that much. Okay, next I do some sesame oil. Oh god, that's a lot. Okay, I think that's good. A lot of paprika, like not a lot, just I think this is good. Some ginger powder, and I like to put a lot. If you like ginger, just do 2 teaspoons. Okay, and then we're gonna do a lot of garlic powder. And then I like to think of this as like a secret ingredient, kind of. It's brown sugar, and I would do 2 tablespoons of this. And then I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. A lot of people add chili flakes or just like some spicy powder because I don't know, it's supposed to be spicy, but my family does not eat spicy things. So guys, I forgot to say you should cut up some onions, like kind of big moon chunks, and add them and mix them as well. So you have the مام شو بيقولوا خس?
Lettuce.
You have the lettuce, and then we put some sushi rice, and I usually take some of the meat, either this or the chicken. Let's just do beef today. And lastly, we top it with green onions and sesame seeds, and that's it. You can kind of like close it, hold it like a sandwich, and it's so good. Guys, if you don't know, on January 5th we celebrate like the... What do we celebrate? What do we celebrate?
Jesus christening.
Jesus is christening by eating a pie, right? Anyway, the special thing about the pie is that inside you usually get like a king and queen, kind of like a plastic thing, and the person who gets it in their piece of pie is crowned king or queen. So we have to cut the crown, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna cut it. You can stop.
صورك انت ومركزي.
A queen does it cut.
شو؟
I go first.
I would have brought paper scissors
خلص
on
طلع لك لك نروح.
to see who goes first. Yeah. Oh wait, 1, 2, 3, shoot.
Ha!
شو عملت يعني؟
ايه بس ونحن
Oh,
لا لازم تتحدي الكل الربحان عرفتي؟
ما بيعرف يلعبها يمكن.
أطبعنا أطبعنا.
What is this?
It's a scissor.
أطبعنا أطبعنا.
Is it it?
باب شو ها؟ عم بقلبني عم
بس عم تطلع واحدة.
باب ما بعرف. تشك تشك تشك. I win. Your turn.
امك
نيرك.
مام.
ما بعرف العبها.
تراجو. أنا ربحت. rock paper scissors shoot. تشك تشك تشك.
نحن اصلا ربحناك تطلع على عولي. هاي هي.
This is
This
yours.
is mine.
شيلوا
كتير
أنتو
Joy.
والباقي أنا.
No one can see inside.
There's nothing.
فيها
مشكى عليهم.
اوكي هاي لمين؟
لا تجوعي
لا يورجو.
لا لا اوف اوف
No look, no look.
ما سمعت شيء.
احنا بنضفها ها؟
Yeah, but I don't wanna eat anymore.
لا لا جوي.
ما توصفها حرام.
شو هيدي طلعت اسمه ولا شو؟
بطون. طبعا
هاي
مغالب.
سنة الماضي.
خلص.
I'm gonna kill them if there's nothing.
قلنا كله.
Just refilm. Wait. Before it's done, let's put
قولي له
something in it.
رجعنا حقها.
خلي حطها هلا الفيديو وتمشي شوي.
As I said, usually you're supposed to get like a king and a queen inside the pie. But here in Qatar, I think they only put like one thing. And last year we got this like goat, kind of, which I don't think they get the concept of it, but at least they put something. And this year, they didn't put anything. So anyway, I just called customer service and I was like, don't send me a king galette without a king. And I think he got it. And he said he'll see what he can do or something. But I just want to know why they didn't put anything inside. Like we ate the whole thing and we were looking for this. Hey guys, I just straightened my hair and I kind of decided I want to cut some long layers. Because if you know, like my hair barely has any layers. Like I just have these in front of my face and some of these, but I feel like I want some layers like in the back. I don't know, because it feels just too like heavy. Like no layers. So here's the result, guys. So I didn't do very short layers, but I feel like there is a big difference. Like my hair feels lighter and like these are way shorter. It used to be just the same length. So I hope you guys can see a difference. Yeah, that's it.
سلا جيب إلى الABCD ما لدي للسي بس compound.
Noise.
لما تعمل حي له.
Oh god. Ooh. Okay, so this is called zlebi and it's part of the same thing. Like yesterday we were eating the pie, remember, with the king. And yeah, by the way, there was no toy and they did not give me another. I'm filming! And so yeah, this is also a tradition. You're supposed to make these. They're called zlebi and it's like sweet, it's not salty. And yeah, that's it. Guys, we're testing. Cheers. It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men.